All right, listen up. Becoming friends with a cat takes patience and understanding. Here's some tips. Number 1, approaching them slowly. Give the cat space and approach them calmly because sudden movements will scare them. Number 2, let them come to you. Allow the cat to initiate contact. Sit quietly, let them explore at their own pace. Number 3, offer treats. Use treats to create positive associations. Hold them out and let the cat come to you. Number 4, use toys. Play with the cat using toys like feathers or strings. This can help build trust and make interactions more fun. Number 5, respect their space. If the cat seems to be uninterested and backs away, don't force interaction. Give them time. Number 6, talk softly. Use a gentle voice when you speak to a cat. This helps them feel more comfortable. All right? Number 7, create a safe environment. Ensure they have a cozy space where they feel secure. With places that they do need to hide if they want to hide. Being patient and respectful with a cat can help you build a strong friendship over time and a long-lasting one as well.